bought a camper.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can no more.
So it is 25 degrees out, but we got the electricity running. It took I can't even talk because my mouth is so cold, but we got the electricity hooked up to a little battery, and I think my plans right now, I'm going to tell you my plans for this right now, the day I got this camper, and then I can compare that to what I actually do and what it actually ends up being at the end of this remodel, because we all know that projects don't always go as planned. But sorry for my sniffles, it's cold, it's very cold. I want to replace this stove with a furnace that looks like a fireplace, so it's like pretty, and it'll probably hang on the wall right here. The lights I think are good, I'm going to keep those. I am going to take these shelves off the wall and I'm going to put in like bigger, prettier shelves. I'm going to build a queen bed right into the wall back here. It's going to take up a lot of the camper, but I think it's going to be nice. Just to have a full-size bed that is comfortable, and I'm a person that kind of likes to hang out in a bed when I'm editing and stuff like that too. I'm going to put a little shelf in here for like a little like countertop. Today it is 8 degrees outside, at least right now. It's early in the morning, and I'm about to get started measuring and cutting. I got some 2x4s, so we're gonna make a bed. I'm building a camper and it's actually turning out so good. The bed is being made right now. I'm gonna get some plywood, put it on there, and then get a mattress. So I have a queen size bed in this thing.